With no improvement in working conditions at its headquarters, the Grenada Postal Corporation (GPC) is forced to temporarily relocate ahead of the scheduled opening of its future home at the Phoenix building on the Carnage. According to Director of Post Randall Robinson, the presence of mold and other health and safety risks at the Burns Point location led the organization to move some of its services in recent months.
The building has been deemed unsafe for, human occupation at this juncture. We had a severe mold problem and so on, and air quality issues. So the staff was moved to two places: the National Stadium, the Kiriani James side of the National Stadium, and the PWU building. We used one of their conference rooms.
However, due to the upcoming Carifta Games and competing uses of the PWU facilities, the GPC will once again move, this time to the National Cricket Stadium from February 2nd.
Because it's a national stadium, there's a lot of parking and so on that can take place. We are able to do a lot more, to serve the public in a much more, I would say, efficient way. Yes, and run the postal operations too, because, because of this, us being segregated or separated and so on, it has caused some logistical challenges for us. So now, everything is better.
This development follows a 3-day protest staged by GPC workers in May of last year over poor working conditions, resulting in an agreement for temporary relocation and remote work until permanent resolution of the workplace challenges. Acknowledging project setbacks, Robinson anticipates that the GPC will now make its final move to the Phoenix building on the Carnage in April.
We're going into an area that I think is going to, ease the public quite a bit. And then when we move over to our permanent home, where we expect that a lot of the issues that, that we had would be eliminated there. So we're setting up so that we're best able to do the work of Post efficiently and to be able to serve the public as we would like.
The last day of operations at the PWU building will be Tuesday, January 27th. GPC Global will be unavailable from Wednesday until relocation is completed. However, post office box customers can continue to access their boxes at Burns Point and Bruce Street. GPC operations at the National Cricket Stadium will begin on February 2nd. Reporting for GBN News, I am Deidre Seeley.